So be all back again, hopefully with a bit more. I can't know what I'm doing. So I'm obviously back to my field. It's peace and quiet, there's not many people around. But today I'm doing a bit of abs. I got weights later, but I just thought while I'm doing abs in this field, I thought I'd show you one of the most favourite ones that I love doing in terms of ab exercises, which is the dragon flag or dragonfly, however you want to call it. So that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, dragon flag, dragonfly. It's always renowned as being one of the hardest core exercises to do. I mean, come on, where have you seen it? Rocky 4? The OG himself, Mr. Bruce Lee. He's probably made it famous and have it his own kind of style, his own core thing. So I'm going to show you some ways of how you can practice it, and obviously I feel like the secret to how you do it as well, which you wouldn't think, it being core. How do you think I get on the field of games? This is how. What? So yes, dragon flags, dragonflies. So before we even do any of that, again, preparation is key. So we're going to warm up. I've got my trusty abs wheel. So I'm going to warm up with some of these, just some mountain climbers, and just some basic simple ab warm-ups, just so everything's fired up, and then we're ready to do some extreme core work, Bruce Lee style. Check you guys out, the new position. Naughty, naughty.
You naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
So obviously beginner wise, there's obviously different levels and stages, and there's a little secret to it, which obviously I'll say in a minute. But just to for people wanting to learn it, best way I found was curling up into a ball anyway and just coming down slowly, and then resetting, come back down again. So I'll demonstrate. So by curling up in a ball, it makes it a little bit easier. Your weight's more compressed, compact, so it's easier on your stomach, your core, just to lower your body down. And the tip is just to go slow and controlled. And then once you get better, you can bring yourself back up and down. So, but for now, beginners, just come down, reset, and learn to control that movement. The next stage would be one leg out and the other leg in. Again, it's a bit of a mixture. You're keeping it all compressed and keeping it light, but then you're bringing your leg out now. So we're starting to introduce how a dragon flag is going to be. And then once you master this, you can start trying to bring your body weight back up as you come back down. So that's kind of stage 1, compressed, stage 2, compressed, leg out, and obviously then it's the granddaddy, the dragonfly, the dragon flag. So let's go into it. I'll show you what I mean if you're not sure what a dragon flag is. Obviously I'm hoping you are, because that's why you're watching this. Now if it's a Bruce Lee move, I've got to give it the Bruce Lee signature, show the abs. See who doesn't want to show some abs. So this is where we would be. Back on. We've got to keep this PG, haven't we? Can't be no R-rated training videos. So basically, for me, which I found out a long time while I was trying to practice this, is the secret is actually your glutes. We put so much emphasis in thinking it's your core holding it together, but it's actually your glutes are doing just as much work. And by that, what I mean is when you're in that position and all your weight's on your shoulders and you're coming through, if you don't tense the glutes when you're coming down, you're going to sink. But if you tense your glutes and push your glutes through, you're going to keep that postural chain straight and come down and controlled and then lift through. So when you're doing this, remember, is you're controlling it down slowly. When you're doing this, when you control it down slowly, push through your glutes. Literally, your butt cheek is going to come through the other side. I'm talking, you're pushing it through, and then you're holding that core and you're controlling it down, and it's that is what's going to give you that nice straight, and just let your weight of your legs just hang. Your core's going to do the work, but it's going to be thankful that your gluteus maximus is going to be helping contribute to the load. Honestly, try it. Do the 3 stages, keeping it crunched the leg out, but then while you're doing those, don't forget to emphasize in keeping your glutes through. This isn't the hips, it's like the first video. It's the hips video episodes. Key points is my secret, is why it took me a long time to learn, is glutes, push through, relax, keep your weight on your shoulders, and I keep my hands in like a lock style. Weight's all on my shoulder, I'm relaxed, and then I just come down slowly, and then you come so far, you're gonna know when it's your limit, and then you just pull it back through. So yeah, there you go. Those are Saiwon's Explosive Core Fitness Dragon Flag tutorial. See you next time.